If your GMC Acadia backup camera is working but the warning chimes are silent, you might be facing a simple setting glitch or a hardware failure. The vast majority of volume issues in GMC infotainment systems are caused by software configuration rather than blown speakers. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find out exactly why your alerts have gone quiet. Start by checking your vehicle settings menu and testing if other system sounds like turn signals are also missing. Sometimes the fix is as simple as finding the hidden chime volume slider within the deeper comfort and convenience menus. If your driver's side door speaker is blown, you will lose your backup chimes because that speaker handles the system alerts. If your radio still plays music but the chimes are gone, it is likely software. If the door speaker is dead, it is hardware. Most software resets are free, while replacing a faulty door speaker will typically cost you under $70 in parts. A full power cycle by opening the driver door for 5 minutes often forces the infotainment module to reboot and clear volume glitches. If you need to swap the speaker, you will just need some basic plastic trim tools and a 7mm socket. Keep in mind that electrical surges can often reset your custom audio preferences back to the factory defaults. Now that your backup alerts are loud and clear, you can reverse with confidence. Subscribe for more GMC troubleshooting guides.